What interested me in the MSMS program was the fact that I could translate my problem-solving skills to a business environment, and that the program really is going to give me the tools to do that. I just graduated from biomedical engineering here at Boston University, and it's kind of more math and science, but I think this gives me a chance to use those same skills to make major decisions that can actually make a difference in a business, rather than solving, smaller math problems. I think this really is more hands-on, and that's what I like about it. It'll definitely give me the experience I need to work with both business and science people, because right now I'm really good at talking with people in engineering, and this will help me translate that to business, and it'll help me connect the other business people with people in technology and engineering.